pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
cheese and onion pasties. For this I'm using 250 grams of mashed potatoes, 100 grams of cheddar cheese grated, half an onion grated, half a teaspoon of mustard powder, a knob of unsalted butter, a squeeze of cream cheese, 1 egg beaten, pepper and salt, and some puff pastry. Now you're supposed to heat up all the ingredients apart from the egg in a pan and mix it in there, but it's too dark to video in the kitchen, so I'm just going to microwave it. Now that the potatoes are all nice and hot, I'm going to mix in the other ingredients. The cheese, the onion, the mustard powder, a squidge of cream cheese, a knob of butter, salt, and pepper. Mix it all together. Give it another few seconds in the microwave to heat everything up. That was another 30 seconds in the microwave when everything is nice and hot, and everything will mix in now. Lovely. Now set it aside and leave to cool while you make the pastry. Flour your work surface, then roll out the pastry to about 2 millimeters thick, 1/16 of an inch. When you've rolled it out a bit, cut it in half. Now cut them into pastry size. I'm using an old takeaway container as a guide. Like so. Now set them aside and roll out the lids. Make a straight edge. Now make the lids about 1 centimetre bigger. Cut it out. Place about a tablespoon, a bit more on your pasty bases. brush the edges with beaten egg. And place the lids on top. Press down gently. Seal with a fork. Lightly score the tops with a knife. Don't go right through the pastry though. Place on a well greased baking sheet, then brush the top with beaten egg. Bake for 20 minutes at gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius, fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. Smells good. Looks good. Yes, the inside looks good. Yeah, they're not bad. Almost as good as a Greg's cheese and onion pasty. Yes, success. I shall make them again. I was just going to eat that piece for the taste test and leave the rest for later. But it's so good, it's irresistible, I'll have to eat it now. Cheese and onion pasty. For this I'm using 250 grams of mashed potatoes, bake for 20 minutes at gas mark 4, 350 degrees, blah blah blah.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.